Okay students, what we are doing? We are doing addition. Okay, count with me. How many colors are there? 1 2 3. How many colors? 1 2 3. Add one more. हम इसमें कितने ऐड करेंगे? One more. Now let's count together. How many colors are there? 1 2 3 4. How many colors? 4 colors. Students, again हम ऐड करेंगे. First count this. How many colors? 1 2 3 4. How many colors? 4 colors. Now add 1 and 2 more. Now add 2 more. Now count together. How many colors are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 colors. Okay, now 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. 4 आपके पास कलर्स थे, आपको मैंने 2 मोर दे दिए, तो आपके पास कितने हो गए? 6 हो गए.